This is chapter number 6, combustion and flame. We will be taking question and answers on combustion and flame. First is list condition under which combustion can take place. Means what are the conditions which are required for combustion? First is the fuel, which is very much required. Then the oxygen, that is air, is necessary. Then you need to reach that ignition temperature. That means the temperature has to go up to that ignition temperature from the room temperature so that the combustion can commence. Fill in the blanks. Burning of wood and coal causes pollution of air. A liquid fuel used in homes is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Fuel must be heated to its ignition temperature before it starts burning. Fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water. These are the answers in blue. Explain how the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced pollution in our cities. CNG is a clean fuel, and the harmful pollutants like sulfur dioxides, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, they are not produced or minimally produced by CNG. That is why CNG is a cleaner fuel. Next is compare LPG and wood as fuels. The energy per unit mass of LPG is high or higher than wood. The pollution is very less as compared to wood. The residue almost or no residue if you see practically. Wood will create a lot of residue. Then storage and transport, very easy to store and transport LPG. Wood, it needs space, it needs some labor. Next is give reasons. Water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipment. Water can act as a conductor, so it is not used in the fire from electrical equipment. So this water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipment because it may conduct electricity, and rather than solving the problem it may cause more harm. LPG is better domestic fuel than wood. Yes, because it is readily available. The government is providing it. It is cheap, the rates are moderate and burned easily in air, and it produces the energy it produces per mass is quite high, and there are practically no undesirable substances which are left behind. Next is paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminium pipe does not. This is just because the ignition temperature, when the paper is wrapped around the aluminium pipe, the ignition temperature of a paper is low as compared to the paper wrapped around an aluminium pipe. Make a label diagram of a candle flame. So first of all, this is the base, that is the wax candle. This you can see partially black innermost zone of unburned wax vapor. This is least hot, that is why it's yellow. Moderately hot, hottest part, this is the outer zone because there is a complete combustion, and this is the middle zone of partial combustion, that is why it is yellow. Name the unit in which calorific value of fuel is expressed. This is kilojoule per kg. Explain how CO2 is able to control fire. The CO2, if there is a fire, right, there has to be oxygen or air. So this CO2, if it works as a blanket or a cover, so that there is no combination or there is no oxygen for the fuel to burn. The CO2 being heavier than oxygen covers the fire like a blanket, and since there is no contact between fuel and oxygen, the fire is controlled. Next is it is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catch fire easily because dry leaves has no water content. Green leaves does have, and also the ignition temperature of dry leaves is lower than the green leaves. So this is the answer. Which zone of flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver, and why? This is the outermost layer, because see, the outermost layer has all the oxygen to burn, So goldsmith uses the outermost zone of the flame for melting gold and silver because it is the hottest part. That is, complete combustion of the flame takes place. Next is, in an experiment, 4.5 kg of fuel was burned, or completely burned. The heat produced was this much, 1,80,000 kilojoule. Calculate the calorific value of fuel. So calorific value is expressed in terms of kilojoule per kg. So heat produced by mass of fuel, this is the calorific value. You put 1,80,000 on the numerator, 4.5 in the denominator, and just take this point above, just cancel it, divide it, you'll get 40,000. Can the process of rusting be called combustion? Discuss. No, rusting is a slow process. If you might have seen any closed mill or house, you will see the iron or metal part, they start rusting, but it goes, or this is a slow process, takes a long time. But combustion does not take so much time. It just has to reach your ignition temperature and combustion will take place. Abida and Ramesh were doing an experiment in which water was to be heated in a beaker. Abida kept the beaker near the wick in the yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh kept the beaker in the outermost part of the flame. Whose water will get heated in the shorter time? Ramesh, because the outermost part has all the oxygen for the flame to burn. So the outermost part of the flame is the hottest one. So the Rakesh water will get heated in a shorter time. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.